Did you know something as simple as washing certain body parts could quietly add years to your life? When these overlooked areas are properly cleaned, they support better circulation, a stronger immune system, and long-term health. Many doctors now say these body parts may play a far bigger role in longevity than most people realize. In this video, we're uncovering 4 unexpected body parts that, when cared for correctly, can help keep you energetic, balanced, and strong as you age. These aren't the usual areas people focus on, but rather the hidden keys to your overall health and vitality. Stay tuned until the end because you'll learn not only which body parts need the most attention, but also how keeping them clean can protect your heart, your brain, and your immune system, helping you live longer and feel better every single day. Whether you're 60, 70, or 80, these small habits could make the difference between merely getting older and truly aging well. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Behind your ears. The hidden gateway to your immune system. One of the most neglected yet vital areas to clean regularly is the space behind your ears. Most people wash their face and hair daily, but often forget this small patch of skin. And that tiny oversight can have surprisingly large consequences for your health. The area behind your ears contains numerous sebaceous glands that produce oil to protect the skin. Over time, these oils can mix with sweat, dead skin cells, and bacteria, forming a layer of residue that traps dirt and odor. When this buildup remains unwashed, it creates a breeding ground for harmful microbes that can weaken your skin barrier and lead to irritation, inflammation, and even minor infections. But the deeper truth lies beneath the surface. The lymph nodes located behind your ears play a key role in your immune system. They act as filters, removing toxins and waste from your body's fluid. When the skin above them is neglected, those pores can become blocked, interfering with proper drainage. By gently cleaning this area every day with warm water and mild soap, you encourage lymph flow and help your body eliminate waste more effectively. It's a small act with big health benefits. Proper cleansing behind the ears also supports better circulation to your scalp and neck, areas that directly influence your brain's blood flow. In many traditional health systems, stimulating this region was believed to enhance clarity, hearing, and focus. Modern research echoes that connection. Improved circulation supports cognitive sharpness and helps reduce feelings of fatigue. Think of what happened to George, a 73-year-old retiree who often felt minor skin irritation and frequent tiredness around his head and neck. His dermatologist suggested he start washing behind his ears daily and massaging gently while doing so. Within a few weeks, not only did the irritation disappear, but he also reported fewer headaches and a clearer sense of alertness throughout the day. It may sound too simple, but the consistency of small, mindful habits like this adds up. By paying attention to often forgotten areas, you promote cleaner skin, stronger circulation, and better lymphatic function, all of which are essential for long-term vitality. So next time you're in the shower, take an extra few seconds to care for this small spot behind your ears. It's a quiet reminder that sometimes the keys to longevity aren't found in big changes, but in the little things we tend to overlook. Number 2. Your belly button. Few people realize that the belly button, one of the most overlooked parts of the body, can be a key to preventing infections and improving overall health. This tiny depression in the center of your abdomen may seem harmless, but it's actually home to thousands of microorganisms that thrive in warm, moist environments. When neglected, it can accumulate sweat, oil, and bacteria, leading to irritation, unpleasant odor, and even minor infections that affect nearby tissues. Cleaning your belly button regularly does more than keep your skin fresh. It also supports your internal balance. The area around your navel contains numerous nerve endings connected to your digestive organs. Gentle cleansing and light massage during washing can help stimulate circulation and support digestion, reducing bloating and promoting better nutrient absorption. For older adults whose metabolism tends to slow down, this small habit can make a noticeable difference in comfort and energy levels throughout the day. Moreover, the skin around the belly button often collects dead cells that can block pores. Over time, this buildup may trap bacteria, which could travel deeper into your system through tiny openings in the skin barrier. Maintaining cleanliness helps protect your immune system by reducing the overall bacterial load your body must fight daily. There's also a lesser-known connection between belly hygiene and posture. When the muscles and tissues in your abdominal area are healthy, they support your spine and improve balance. Cleaning this region regularly helps you stay aware of your core, encouraging subtle muscle engagement and better alignment without even thinking about it. Take Linda, a 68-year-old grandmother who often experienced mild skin irritation around her waistline. She started paying attention to cleaning her belly button each morning, gently using warm water and a cotton swab. Not only did her irritation vanish, but she began noticing fewer digestive issues and a lighter, more comfortable feeling after meals. This simple habit may sound small, but it supports several systems at once: digestive, immune, and circulatory. It's a reminder that health isn't just about what we eat or how much we move, but how well we care for every part of ourselves, even the ones we rarely think about. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Number 3. Your scalp. Your scalp might not be the first place that comes to mind when you think about longevity, but it plays an essential role in your body's overall circulation and nerve health. Beneath that layer of hair lies one of the richest networks of tiny blood vessels in your entire body. These capillaries feed your brain with oxygen and nutrients, and when the scalp becomes clogged with oil, sweat, or dead skin, it can slow down that circulation, leaving you with fatigue, tension, and even a dull mind. A clean, well-stimulated scalp helps keep blood flowing freely, delivering the oxygen your brain and nervous system depend on. When you gently wash and massage your scalp, you're not only removing dirt and buildup, you're also activating these vessels, sending a rush of fresh blood to your head. That increase in circulation supports sharper memory, clearer thinking, and better mood regulation. Many older adults don't realize that maintaining scalp health can directly influence how alert and focused they feel. Sebum buildup on the scalp can also interfere with natural skin renewal. Over time, this buildup becomes a barrier that prevents nutrients from reaching the follicles and skin cells. Regular cleansing helps your scalp breathe again, reducing irritation and the risk of minor infections that could affect comfort and appearance. But more importantly, it contributes to a sense of vitality that radiates through your entire body. Consider Henry, a 70-year-old musician who began experiencing tension headaches and sluggishness during his daily activities. His doctor found no major issues, but suggested a simple daily scalp massage while shampooing. Within weeks, Henry noticed a significant improvement: less tension, more clarity, and deeper relaxation in the evenings. It wasn't medication that changed his condition, it was improved blood flow.
Your scalp also connects to your lymphatic system. When circulation improves there, toxins and waste products are flushed away more efficiently. That gentle stimulation can make a measurable difference in how refreshed you feel after waking up, or how calm you feel before bed. It's a powerful way to support your brain and nervous system without needing any special treatments, just your hands and consistency. Washing your scalp regularly and giving it a mindful massage each time you bathe is an act of self-care that reaches far beyond hygiene. It's about sending life back into your brain, refreshing your senses, and strengthening the very system that keeps you balanced and aware. For many, this small habit becomes a moment of peace, a few minutes to reconnect with yourself, to clear your mind, and to honor the body that carries you. In the end, it's not just about clean hair. It's about the clarity, calm, and vitality that come from within.
Number 4. Between your toes. Most people think of washing their feet as a quick rinse, but very few pay real attention to the space between their toes. It's one of the most neglected areas of the body, and yet it has a direct effect on your circulation, posture, and even your long-term mobility. When left uncleaned, moisture and bacteria can collect there, creating the perfect environment for fungal growth, odor, or skin irritation. But beyond hygiene, this small habit of cleaning between your toes can play a surprising role in maintaining balance and independence as you age. The nerves and blood vessels in your feet are incredibly sensitive. They send constant signals to your brain to help you stay upright, adjust your steps, and maintain stability. When this area becomes inflamed or irritated from neglect, your brain receives distorted feedback, which can subtly affect your sense of balance. That's one of the reasons why seniors with chronic foot issues are more likely to experience falls or instability over time. By taking a few extra moments each day to gently wash and dry between your toes, you're not just keeping them clean, you're protecting your body's foundation. Clean skin allows for better air circulation, stronger nerve feedback, and healthier tissue. It's a small act that tells your body, I still value my footing in this world. Proper foot hygiene also supports heart health. The simple act of massaging your feet as you clean them improves blood flow back to your heart, which is especially important for older adults who may have reduced circulation. This gentle stimulation can prevent swelling, keep your veins healthy, and even help with leg cramps at night. Consider Paul, a 76-year-old man who used to suffer from recurring foot discomfort and occasional imbalance when walking. His podiatrist suggested that he begin a nightly ritual of washing, drying, and lightly massaging his feet, paying especial attention to the areas between his toes. Within a month, his walking confidence returned, and the discomfort that once slowed him down became a thing of the past. The skin between your toes also acts as a natural early warning system. If you notice cracks, redness, or changes in texture, it may be your body's way of signaling poor circulation or early signs of diabetes-related nerve changes. Staying attentive here allows you to catch these conditions early before they develop into something serious. In many cultures, washing the feet has long been considered a cleansing ritual, not only for the body, but for the mind. It's a moment of grounding, a reminder of where we stand and how we move through life. By giving this simple care to your feet each day, you reinforce the strength, balance, and dignity that carry you forward step by step through every stage of life. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Final thoughts as we close this video.
Take a moment to think about what you've just learned. Sometimes the simplest daily habits hold the greatest power to protect your health and extend your life. The areas we often ignore, the space behind the ears, the belly button, the scalp, and between the toes, each play a quiet but vital role in keeping your body clean, balanced, and resilient. Caring for these parts isn't just about hygiene, it's about circulation, immunity, and energy. Each time you wash them with intention, you're helping your body breathe easier, move better, and function more efficiently. You're supporting your organs, stimulating your nerves, and improving the way blood and oxygen flow through your system. In short, you're investing in longevity, one small act at a time. Think of this daily routine as a form of gratitude toward your body. These few extra minutes remind you that life, health, and independence are built on consistent care, not grand gestures. Every simple step taken daily becomes a quiet promise to yourself to stay strong, clean, and alive in every sense of the word. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.